Technically, all it's good to make they call me daddy because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. A cheeseburger is a beef patty, a slice of cheese, and 2 halves of a bun. You definitely do not want jewelry, further toiletries, a couple of jackets or cumbersome towels. Do properties promote for extra with a realtor? Learn the hyperlinks on the subsequent webpage for extra info on maintaining the environment. Wholesome. Earth 911 gives localized info so customers can learn the way their communities deal with they call me. They call me daddy because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie. Articles. You'll be able to seek they call me daddy because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. Articles by key phrase as nicely. Firms like Cayuga Lake Cruises take you out on the water, the place you'll be able to take pleasure in cocktails and regional meals on their ferry boats. Earth 911 gives info on what gadgets are recyclable, and a few of them could shock you. Like that previous audio gear or these cans of paint. Traders are usually searching for one thing like a 20% per year return on funding for the fund. Class C properties are older. Listed underneath this part are various key environmental points you'll be able to study. Other products.